guys, it's Megan from Redcliff Library, and today we're going to be making edible cookie dough. For this you're going to need 2 bowls, chocolate chips, a little bit of salt, oat flour, or you can use regular flour, but you need to bake it first, melted coconut oil, honey, peanut butter, and vanilla extract. So I'm going to start by mixing all the dry ingredients, because my mom always taught me you have to do the dry ingredients first, and then mix the dry ingredients together, mix the wet ingredients together, and then put them together. So this is half a cup of chocolate chips, I think, maybe a little bit more. This is 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of oat flour, and again you can use regular flour, just bake it first, and then we just need a pinch of salt. If you have peanut butter and it's already salted, or any kind of nut butter that's already salted, then you're not going to need salt. So just mix it. You can always put in the what are they called? The chocolate chips after. So once you have that mixed up, then I'm going to do my wet ingredients. So this is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil melted, and then we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of honey, and get it in. Liquid honey, like the little golden ones in the bear jars, would probably work a little bit better for this because it's a little bit more liquidy. And then this is, I'm not sure how much peanut butter that is. I think it's a cup. Maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, I can't remember. I will put it in the description box though, so you know. So then add that in and just mix it together. If it's always better to use a, what's it called, like a KitchenAid, an actual like thing that mixes it really well for you. Another thing my mom taught me, and she has not been wrong about it. Just mix it together, scrape the sides so that you're getting all of the goodness. That's really important if you're cooking with something like with spices or baking, so that you get like all the cinnamon or whatever that you put it in. So I have all that in, and then you're just going to mix it all together. I'm just going to do about half and half, just so it doesn't get everywhere, because flour manages to get everywhere. Add the rest. And then mix it. You could definitely use your hands for this. The last part is to roll these all together into balls, and then you could probably eat them right away, or you chill them in the fridge for 30 minutes, I think. Maybe a little bit less. That is if they're too wet. If they're not super wet, then they can just be eaten right away. Or you could eat them right away even if they are a little bit too wet. I don't think it's going to hurt anybody. So mix that. I'm just going to use my hands because this is getting too hard for me. It's just annoying. Make sure you have clean hands before you do this, which you always should when you're baking or cooking. Oh, these smell good. They smell a lot like peanut butter and honey. So then this recipe should make about 12 balls, depending on what size you make them to. I'll just roll them into here. So, I don't know how much to do. I've never actually made these before. But just grab, just grabbed a little bit, roll them into a ball, not that big. Could use mini chocolate chips for this too. Oh, didn't think about that. There we go. I will finish rolling those into balls and I'll put them in the fridge to chill for a little bit. If you want to store these, just put them in the freezer in an airtight container, which I think is what you're supposed to do with everything. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will put the whole recipe in the description box so that if you want to make it, then you'll have a better, you'll know what to do a little bit more than just a video, in case I missed any measurements or how to do something. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!